Yo traders, what's good? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you subbed up, welcome back. So the day is Wednesday and it's the 21st of May, coming up 20 past 2, so almost that time. So on the left we got NASDAQ, on the right we got US30. Now yesterday was a shit day. If you watched the video you would have seen, and yeah, just hope for a better day today. That's all I gotta say. So I'm on a 5-minute time frame as always. I'm going to mark up my resistance zones. So it would have been there, but we're clearly just breaking through it. So it's going to have to be there now. Yes, that's all I got for a sec. Is there any trends or anything going on? I'm really going to go in today with my skill set. So this really steep bearish trend line. So yeah, that's a valid trend line. And I'm just going to keep that there for a sec. I'm going to put some resistance up there. So yeah, support, resistance, trend line, cool. I'll come back and put some breakout lines in a minute. US30 is kind of already there. And to be honest, as far as a trend line goes for US30, I mean, kind of put this as a trend line. Say, right, we got some sort of trend line going on anyway. Price is overall bearish. Now, what happens when people are pushing price down like this? Putting stop losses all above the places they push price from. So on New York open, or the stock market open, right, 9:30, that's why price goes boom and like up and down and just takes people out the game, or you know, it triggers people's orders because they think it's going to be reversals, and then it just comes down. That's all that crazy shit. Now I'm usually in. I don't wait for breaks and retests and stuff like that. I'm just usually in. Yeah, that's the type of trader I am. I'm aggressive, but you know, I've just finished a course today as well for this, explaining all of this. So yeah, that'll be out really soon. The 1st of June, actually. That's the official date that the course will be out. There'll be a Master the Basics course, and I'll be going live as well, all for free. And then obviously the Academy is going to be an option as well for people who want to step up, level up a little bit, but you know, you don't need to, because all this free content's definitely good enough. But yeah, for those more serious traders who want to learn and get those weekly live classes and all that other shit, yeah, it's going to be a whole bunch of stuff in the Academy, and it's going to be well worth it. So you should be excited. So yeah, we got 10 minutes now until that open. I do enter, on pre-break sometimes, but it depends if the volume's there. Do you know what? I haven't even looked on Forex Factory today to see if there's any news coming. And that's usually the first thing that I do. So you can tell I'm a little bit rusty, but it won't take me long to get back into the swing of things. Trust me. So today we have no news. So I've just put 2 new little breakout lines there on the structure, on these little pullbacks, because, you know, for me, even this little breakthrough there and to a tap into this trend line in there is still money, still profit. So, you know, I don't mind those tiny little moves, but realistically, the breakthrough the trend line and this bigger picture would be, you know, the best way to wait for your entries. But to be honest with you, I take what I can get. I'm scalping. Kind of looks like we're using this area as a support as well. Let's see what price does today. So we are open. So we're going to respect the trend line on NASDAQ. Bit more volume. Okay, so it is pushing. Okay, yeah, there we go. Looking a little bit better now. I'm going to take that. Take that off the table. Maybe now is respecting his trend line. Looks like it definitely rejected the resistance and the trend line. Both kind of moving in sync as well. I love it when that happens. So I'm going to say we respected the trend line. We respected the resistance area too. Cool. Yeah. That's cool. It's definitely rejecting hard on US30. I'd say that's definitely recovered for yesterday. 100. I definitely say it recovered since yesterday. That looks like it's still pushing. You know, today I had to whip out all my tricks, my trend lines, resistance, everything. See if I get one more. little push from a little extra cheeky change, because I know I'm pretty much back to break even now since yesterday, but not about that. But also it's not about over trading and being emotional and losing. So I don't see some nice volume now and a push anywhere in the next, I don't know, in this next 15-minute candle, then I'm done. So Nasdaq's either going to break through or, you know, resist this resistance. So looks like it's breaking through though. 1 minute left. So yeah, because I've got 1 minute left, I'm not expecting it to just, you know, shoot up and take all these TPs. If anything, it's probably going to pull back and react from this resistance. I don't know. Now it's starting to push a little bit. Still though, we got 1 minute left. So I mean, how far is it really going to push in 1 minute? It's like it's listening to me and it's testing me. It's like, well, you want to see how far I can push in 1 minute? Yeah, well, show me then. See how far. See if you can take those TPs. So now this 1 minute candle either opens strong or totally pulls back. Fuck it. Closing them out. Literally closing out before this even gets a chance to come and pull back and do all the crazy shit. I'm pretty sure they're still going to get tapped into though. But you know what? Yeah, man. I feel like I was waiting too long. Plus, realistically, the entry was from down there. So that's a nice break. But yeah. There we go. And look at it now. It would be doing it now, right? When I know it's going to tap into those fucking areas. Yeah, it does. All right, cool. I'm taking them. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Now I'm really done. So yeah, yesterday was a shit day. Today was a lovely day. So that's just what it is. I explain that in the course as well. I explain it anyway all the time. I say, if you have a shit day, don't worry, because the good days are going to catch up and you're going to get more good days than bad days. Or even if you do get a few more bad days 1 week, when you win and you hold it, and you know how the markets are moving, you've done it for a while, then you'll just recover. And that's the strategy, literally. Don't worry about it. Know where your take profits are. Get out when you get there, and don't be greedy, because look at it pulling back now after it took out my TPs. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can't expect too much, so just be strict, manage your risk, get off the charts when you lose and get off the charts when you win. And that's it.